So Halloween, or as I like to call it, HalloWINE, is fast approaching, and so I wanted to talk to you about how to pair your sweet treats with your wine, because candy is not only for kids, okay? So I wanted to have a little fun in this video. I hope that's okay with you, okay? So for more Wine Diva sips and tips, please be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified for when the new videos drop. At the end of this video, you should be able to better understand what candy is gonna go best with what wine. First off, let's talk about our fruitier wines and our fruitier candies. So we're thinking Smarties, we're thinking Jolly Ranchers, what else is fruity? Skittles, that kind of thing. So we're thinking those kind of candies, and we're gonna put that with fruitier wine, something that has more of a fruit forward, as you say in a wine world, flavor, like our sparkling wines can be that. Some Sauvignon Blancs can do that for you, and Muscats, especially if you like sweet Muscat or Moscato, basically the same thing, will go really well with your fruit style, fruitier candies, and I hope that makes sense. For a little bit more into your wine pairing basics, please check out my wine pairing basics video so you can get a little more inside scoop on not just candy, but some foods and pairing your wine with your food. Now, I want to talk about a candy classic, and I love it. I don't know if you love it, but candy corn. Let me know. Do you love candy corn? Put it in the comments below. Candy corn has that rich kind of buttery flavor, and the same goes for Chardonnay. Not all Chardonnays. I know there's some steel Chardonnay, so look and make sure that it has been made in oak, because that's what gives it that buttery flavor. It's called malolactic fermentation and blah, 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 blah. We don't need to know all that. But your buttery, more rich, oaky Chardonnays are gonna go with your candy corn and your buttery candies. Drop your favorite candy below. I would love to know. I'd love to give you more specific insight on what wines would go well with your favorite candy. One of my favorite candies is Twix. I don't know why, I just love it. I love it. It doesn't matter if it's the left or the right. Twix is my jam. I love chocolate. Okay, and speaking of chocolate, what goes well with chocolate? Now, chocolate is actually great with red wine. Now, if you're gonna go the bolder your chocolate, the bolder your wine. Thinking again, like with like. So you got your white chocolate, you might want to go with a lighter Pinot Noir. If you got your milk chocolate, it's kind of in the middle. You're probably safe with a Cab Sauv, a red wine blend, and then you got your darker chocolate, your dark chocolate. You're gonna go with your bigger, bolder Cab Sauvs. You're gonna go with the one that you might have been aging for a little while. Maybe your Reserve Cab Franc. Chocolate and red wine is just a great time. And hey, if you want to throw in a little extra alcohol, you can do your port, boo-boo. Port is red wine that's typically fortified in a bourbon barrel. It does have to be made in Portugal. So port style, we're gonna say your port style is also phenomenal with your chocolate. For a more specific list on candies and wines, please follow the link that is in the description below. I have given you a little graphic. It's a cute little list of some top candies and some easy pairings that you can enjoy this holiday HalloWINE season. So I hope you found this helpful. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe, share with your friends. Have a good time. Enjoy your candy and your wine. Thank you so much for watching.